Open 679er, establish stylish.
Ethiopian 679er, surface in calm, caution, landing surface wait, runway 14, clear to land.
Please run Ethiopian 679er, confirm raining.
No rain over the airfield now and landing surface wait.
Thank you.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, establish localizer 14.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, confirm establish localizer.
AFM establish localizer, Emirates 46 Foxtrot.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, surface wind 200.06 knots, 14, clear to land.
Runway 14 clear to land, Emirates 46 Foxtrot.
Bangladesh 389, clear for the approach, descent to 2000 feet, report turning inbound for 14.
Descent 2000 feet for the approach, clearly turning inbound, Bangladesh 389er.
Bangladesh 389, altitude passing.
2,800 and we're 6 DME on the outbound, we'll turn inbound and 8 DME, Bangladesh 389er.
On localizer runway 14, I fly 1105.
I fly 1105, continue approach runway 14.
Continue approach runway 14, I fly 1105.
I fly 1105, surface wind now calm, caution, landing surface wait, runway 14, clear to land.
Runway 14 clear to land, I fly 1105.
Turning inbound, Bangladesh 389er. ILS runway 14, Bangladesh 389er.
Bangladesh 389, continue approach 114.
Continue approach, Bangladesh 389er.
Bangladesh 389, surface wind 240.04 knots and 14, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14, Bangladesh 389er.
Bangladesh 585, confirm normal turn at 10 DME.
Affirm, Bangladesh 585.
Copy it.
Establish localizer 14, Bangladesh 585.
Bangladesh 585, landing surface partially wet, surface wind 210.08 knots and 14, clear to land.
Clear to land 14, Bangladesh 585.
Dakar Arabia 514, service localized runway 14.
Arabia 514, position 10 miles to touchdown, contact tower 183.
Power.
Heading 3, Arabia 514. Tower Arabia 514, very good afternoon with you on the ILS runway 14, service.
Arabia 514, good afternoon, continue approach from 14.
Continue approach Arabia 514.
Arabia 514, successful to 10°06, north turn 14, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14, Arabia 514.
Dakar approach Bangladesh 340, establish localizer runway 14.
Bangladesh 340, position 11 miles to touchdown, continue approach.
Continue approach Bangladesh 340.
Bangladesh 340, position 6 miles, contact tower 183.
Over to Bangladesh 340. Dakar Tower Bangladesh 340, Assalamu alaikum 6 ILS.
Bangladesh 340, continue approach from 14.
Continue approach runway 14, Bangladesh 340.
Flight 113, established localizer runway 14.
High fly 1113, position 7 miles to touchdown, contact tower 1183.
1183 after 1113. South good afternoon, I fly 1113, established island runway 14.
I fly 1113 Dhaka Tower, good afternoon. Surface wind now 21007 knot, caution for wet landing surface, light landing over the airfield, runway 14 clear to land.
Second flight fly 111.
I fly 1113, caution for wet landing surface and surface wind 21007 knot, runway 14 clear to land.
Runway 14, 113.
Established localizer runway 14, Capella 476.
Capella 476, position 13 miles to touchdown, continue approach.
Continue approach, Capella 476. Approach Capella 476, 4 ILS.
Capella 476, position report correct, contact tower 183.
Cover to tower 8 and 476. Dakar Tower, Capella 476, 3 ILS.
Capella 476, surface wind 18006 knot, caution for wet landing surface,
Charlie,
runway 14 clear to land.
Caution copy, clear land runway 14, Capella 476.
Approach Bangladesh 616, establish localizer.
Bangladesh 616, position 9.5 miles to touchdown, contact tower 183.
Over to tower 183, Bangladesh 616. Dhaka Tower Bangladesh 6167 ILS.
Bangladesh 616 Dhaka, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 14.
Continue approach runway 14, Bangladesh 616.
Dhaka Tower, Bangladesh 616, confirm, rain over the airfield.
Now drizzling over threshold and caution for wet landing surface. Surface in now 20006 knot. Continue approach runway 14.
Caution information copied. Continuing approach runway 14, Bangladesh 616.
Bangladesh 616. Surface in now calm. Runway 14 clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14, Bangladesh 616.
Charlie Golf Sierra 501, fully established 10 miles.
Charlie Golf Sierra 501, 10 miles to touchdown, contact tower 1183.
1183, bye. Dhaka Tower, good day. Charlie Golf Sierra 501, ILS 14, 8 miles.
Charlie Golf Sierra 501 Dhaka Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 14.
Continue, Charlie Golf Sierra 501.
Charlie Golf Sierra 501. Surface wind now 19004 knot. Caution for wet landing surface. Runway 14 clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14, Charlie Golf Sierra 501.
Established localizer 715 Alice 420.
Kabila 407 miles to touchdown, contact tower 1183.
Dhaka Tower, good afternoon. Capella 420 established on the Alice 146 Alice Jim.
Kapila 420 Dhaka. Good afternoon. Surface wind 240 degree 05 knot. Caution wet landing surface. Runway 14 clear to land.
Clear runway 14 Capella 420.
Only start 218, we are localizer established runway 1413 miles.
Bangladesh 218, 11 miles to touchdown, contact tower 1183.
118.3, Bangladesh start 218, good day. Dhaka Tower, Bangladesh start 218, good afternoon, continue LS approach runway 14, we are 10.5 miles from touchdown.
Bangladesh 218 Dhaka Tower, good afternoon. Report 6 ILS, runway 14.
Call is 6 ILS, can you please confirm it's raining now over airfield?
Raining over threshold and drizzling around the airfield.
Copy, continue approach Bangladesh start 4218.
Bangladesh 218, caution wet landing surface. Surface wind now calm. Runway 14, clear to land.
Wind cockpit clear to land, runway 14, Bangladesh start 218.
On localizer runway 14, Bangladesh 468.
Bangladesh 468, position 7.5 miles to touchdown, contact tower 1183.
183, thanks for your help, sir. Good day, Bangladesh 468.
Welcome.
Dhaka Tower, Bangladesh 468. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah on ILS 14.
Bangladesh 468, alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, continue approach run 14.
Continue approach 14, Bangladesh 468.
Bangladesh 468, surface wind 210 degrees 05 knots on 14, clear to land.
Clear to land 14, Bangladesh 468.